If you are a beginner in English, listen to this everyday part 1. Hello and welcome. If you are a beginner in English, this message is for you. Before we begin, I want you to relax. Take a deep breath and remember one important thing. You are not expected to speak perfect English today. You are only expected to improve a little every day. Many people believe that learning English is difficult. They think they need a special talent or a very high IQ. That is simply not true. English is a skill, and every skill can be learned with practice. Think about a child learning to speak. A child doesn't worry about grammar. A child doesn't worry about making mistakes. A child simply listens, copies, speaks, and repeats. That is exactly how you should learn English. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait until you know every grammar rule. Do not wait until you feel confident. Start today. Start now. Even if you know only 10 English words, use those 10 words. Every sentence you speak is one step closer to fluency. Many beginners make the same mistake. They spend months watching videos. They read grammar books. They memorize vocabulary. But they never speak. Learning without speaking is like learning to swim without entering the water. You cannot become a swimmer by reading books. You must get into the water. In the same way, you cannot become a fluent English speaker by only studying. You must speak. Will you make mistakes? Yes. Will people correct you? Sometimes. Will you feel embarrassed? Maybe. But none of these things will stop your progress unless you stop yourself. Every mistake teaches you something new. Instead of saying, "I made a mistake," say, "I learned something today." That small change in your thinking can completely change your learning journey. Now let me ask you a simple question. Why do you want to learn English? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to study abroad. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to speak with international friends. Or maybe you simply want to become more confident. Whatever your reason is, never forget it. Your reason is your motivation. Whenever you feel tired, remember why you started. Now let's talk about daily practice. Many students ask, how many hours should I study English? The answer may surprise you. You don't need 6 hours every day. You don't need 4 hours every day. Even 20 or 30 minutes of focused practice every day can change your English completely over time. Consistency is more important than intensity. It is better to practice for 20 minutes every day than to study for 5 hours only once a month. Small daily habits create big results. Let's build a simple English routine together. When you wake up in the morning, greet yourself in English. Say, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day. I will practice English today." While brushing your teeth, try naming the objects around you. Mirror, toothbrush, toothpaste, water, vase, smile. These simple words become part of your memory because you connect them with real life. During breakfast, think in English. Instead of thinking, "I am eating breakfast," say it in English inside your mind. "This food is delicious. I like tea. I like coffee. The weather is nice today." Don't worry if your sentences are simple. Simple English is still English. The goal is not to sound advanced. The goal is to think and speak naturally. Now let's learn another important lesson. Stop translating every sentence from your native language. Many beginners first think in their own language and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow. Instead, learn common English phrases directly. For example, instead of translating, learn expressions like, "How are you?" "I'm doing well." "Nice to meet you." "Could you help me?" "I don't understand." "Could you repeat that?" These expressions become automatic with practice. The more automatic they become, the faster you speak. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Some students believe they need 10,000 English words before they can speak. That is false. You can have simple conversations with a small vocabulary. Learn useful words first. Learn words you use every day. Words related to family, school, work, food, travel, shopping, health, time, weather, daily activities. These words are much more valuable than difficult words you never use. Here is another tip. Every time you learn a new word, create your own sentence. For example, the word is happy. Instead of only remembering, happy means feeling good. Create your own sentence. I am happy today. My mother is happy. My friend looks happy. This simple habit helps you remember words for a long time. Now let's discuss listening. Listening is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. You don't have to understand